Hello, today I'm going to show you how to find your Apple Watch featuring Apple Watch SE 2nd Gen. So, if you lost your Apple Watch and it has some battery left, or maybe you just lost it somewhere in your home and want to find it where it is, you need to go to the watch app. And as you can see, there is some update going on right now, but never mind. You need to go to the all watches, and as you can see, here is the Apple Watch that I'm connected to, and this is this Apple Watch, and you need to click this icon, the information icon, and you need to go to find my Apple Watch. And now you can see where the Apple Watch is, and also you can play some sound if you lost it somewhere in your home. And now, as you can see, as you can hear, the Apple Watch is playing some sounds to find it. So this is it. Thanks for watching. I hope it helped. If it did, please hit subscribe and hit the like. Bye.